This is a simple and very inexpensive way of decorating for fall. Just simply start with attaching some rope around the ring. And by using a glue gun, secure it in place. And then just slowly start making loops around the ring. This is, by the way, the hardest part. Oops, I make mess. Don't be shy to use more glue to prevent the rope from slipping. And for the next step, I'm going to use a ribbon. You can choose any kind you like. I purposely choose this one with some holes in it, so it's easier to assemble the flowers. But you can use any color, different textures or size. Try to use scissors that are not dull. And now just have some fun. Use any flowers you want. For this piece I'm choosing lighter colors, but you can add more dramatic look by adding some darker flowers. Anything you want, whether it's for fall or for spring or winter. The base can always stay the same, and then just add what you want, what you have in a house. This one is for fall, and I like simple. This green is giving me a little hard time, but it's so beautiful. I have to secure it with a glue. I love that there are some holes, and the rope makes it so easy to hold it. There really isn't much that you have to glue in. Most of these flowers are from Michael's, but there are other inexpensive stores with similar items. I like the design is not overpowering. It's calming, it's elegant. The glue is really good. You can try and tape the top, but I find that just a little bit of glue from the glue gun is all you need. Just a bit is plenty because the bottom is holding really well. Now for the side, you can add another flower. I'm going to use the same ribbon because I like the simplicity, but for contrast you can use different color or different material, anything that you think would work well. almost done. I'm gonna give it a couple leaves to finish up the look. I like it. Most of these flowers or greens are not even glued in because again the rope is fantastic, and that way if you ever want to switch up something or add or eliminate, you can. It's super easy. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy fall everyone!